This is part 2 of the demo of the FAST app. So today I will be explaining the recipes portion, the settings portion, and the tracker portion of the app. So first we're going to go ahead over to the recipe section. So as you can see, there's a filters and there's a search bar, and it gives you a bunch of recommendations for recipes. So this is a chicken limon, and as you can see, it shows the ingredients. Same thing here, the directions. And you may have noticed, hey, what's this little heart do in the corner? That's how you favorite a recipe, and it adds it to your favorited list. Over here, and as you can see, it's in the list now with the various other things. So now we're going to go ahead over to the tracker app, and here's where this really shines. So it measures your intake of different food groups, so protein, vegetables, fruit, dairy, grains, and water, because water is very important. But let's say you want to, I want to measure in calories. Well, as it states up here, you can go to the settings to change this function. Not only can you change if you want to measure by calories or not, it also sets diet preferences, and your gender and your weight and your height and your activity level. So it can recommend how many calories you should be eating, what your goals should be, and let you know if you're eating too much or too little for the day. So now we're going to go ahead back. And as you can see, now it's measuring by calories, and it has this fun little progress bar here. And it'll show your week summary and your month summary if you click on one of these. It still measures your protein, vegetable, and fruit intake because it's important, and it's good to get a balanced diet as well as enough calories in a day. So let's go ahead and enter the intake. So we're lacking some vegetables here. So we're going to go ahead and enter the calorie amount, select the type, it's a vegetable, we're going to submit it. And as you can see, it changed to just right. So now we're good in our vegetable intake, but hey, I want to enter water. Water doesn't have calories. I just have the solution for you. If you click the type with the water, then you can enter the ounce amount, and that solves that problem. So it's still tracking how much water you're using, but it's not counting it as calories. Enter the ounce amount, 32, then you submit it. And that is the functions of the tracker, settings, and recipe portion of the app.